Patricia, you're going to celebrate your 50th birthday and we are all going to miss it. Anyway, wish you a very, very happy birthday and God bless with you with good health, happiness, and may all your dreams be fulfilled. Have a great day and a blessed year ahead. Cheers. God bless.
Happy birthday, Patricia. Wish you all the best. Hope the coming years will be the best years ever for you.
Happy golden birthday, mom. Wish you all the best.
Hey Patricia, hope you're doing well. Wishing you a very happy birthday. You have a great year ahead, a very blessed year, and God bless you with all what you require and all the very best for the future. Our prayers are with you. Bye bye.
Hey Pat, happy 50th birthday. You've hit half a century and you don't look like that. I pray that the Lord will bless you, and I know that He has great plans for you, plans to give you hope and a good future. So you enjoy your birthday with your family, have loads of fun. We're gonna miss celebrating your birthday, but I'm glad that you're with your family. Lots of love and hugs from me. God bless you.
Patricia Ann DeCosta, happy birthday and God bless you on your special day. May every dream of yours come true. May every wish of yours come true. And I'm sure that the next 50 years are going to be the best for you. Pat, you've been a blessing to us. You are a blessing to us. And I want to say thank you from my heart. And once again, a very, very happy birthday to you and wish you all life's best. Love you loads.
Hi Pat, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. So finally you turned 50 in quarantine 20. Wow, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you always with lots of happiness. An absolute woman is turning 50, looking 30 and feeling 20. Cheers and beers for 50 years. Long live Patricia. Miss you so much. Wish we could have done this more with lots of fun and surprises if not for quarantine. Wait, that's not all. Welcome to the club of 50s. Love you. Have fun.
Hi Pat, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. I wish you all the best that life and love has to offer on this milestone of a day, your 50th birthday. Kiss goodbye to the 40s and say hello to the 50s. I wish you all the best for the coming years. I miss you dearly. Hoping to meet you soon. Have a blast with your friends and family. Lots of love. God bless you.
दुआ है खुदा से कि आपकी हर दुआ मंजूर हो, आने वाला कल आपका खुशियों से भरपूर हो. Happiest 50th birthday to the Diamond Queen. Wishing you all the blessings that life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything. A cheerleader, a mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend mostly. I'm sure all the people who are connected with you know that they are blessed to have you in their life. My partner in crime, I'm going to miss you on your 50th. Although wishes are many and love is always, but all this year and for the coming years, I will wish and pray that you have a long and healthy life always. Stay blessed, keep me in your prayers always, and I love you a lot, Patricia. Thank you for everything that you have done. You always do, and we all are going to definitely miss all the celebrations that we have on your birthday, especially the tiramisu cake and all the pictures that we click together. Lots of love to you, blessings, and long and healthy life to you always. Have a fantabulous day and an amazing blessed year. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patricia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, darling Patricia. You sure make 50 look good. And many more years to come. I hope I'm gonna spend your 60th birthday along with you. Have a great time and I love you very much. That's Patricia. That's Patricia.
Hey Peggy, happy 25th birthday for the second time. And I say that purely because you still have the face and the legs of an airline stewardess. Aren't you blessed, Andrew? Peggy, you're a whirlwind of pure love, passion, enthusiasm, warmth and humor that's simply contagious. And I see you in the laughter and the kindness of your precious family. It was such a huge blessing to be able to catch up with all of you last year. The time spent together was like the good old days. Sharing our joys, challenges, without any barriers is a true friendship to be thankful for, and I'm thankful for you. I feel so honored to be able to send you this message. Thank you, Andrew. You truly live by the motto of giving everything and expecting nothing in return. You are a thoughtful and generous person. I can say this because I've known you practically all your life and mine. We go back to the days where two little girls ran down the stairs of St. Joseph's Convent High School with laughter and no care in the world. Waking up Tanaji, our caretaker, who used to be sleeping on the job with a huge thump of our feet on the floor, and running away to hide and watch his startled look. Innocent pranks, yet such a delight. Walking around the school on our birthdays to give the teachers a sweet was another way we got out of the classroom and had fun. Every Christmas nativity play at school, you were St. Joseph and I Mother Mary. I guess that's where our faith stemmed from. You will always be utterly, butterly delicious in every way. And I know Andrew's going to be extremely eager to find out what I meant by that. So we'll leave it to you to tell him or keep him guessing. We still are two peas in a pod when it comes to our faith and family values. Even though you went to boarding school, God kept us connected. Through university, we stayed in touch, sharing about our so-called man of our dreams, now our husbands. Cherished memories, our weddings, the arrival of our kids, living in different countries didn't change a thing. When we met after a decade last year, it was like time stood still. A friendship that stands the test of time is a pure gift from God. Now I know you will agree with me as you're a prayerful wife and mother. Your faith and prayer life are so important to you, and of all the qualities I've mentioned, this stands out for me as number one. Peggy, may you continue to be blessed and be a blessing to all who know and love you. I end with a scripture verse, Numbers 6, 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Cheers to 50 years and enjoy your day. You will definitely be in my thoughts and prayers.
Hi gorgeous, wishing you a very happy birthday. Miss being around you guys. We had superb times when we were young. Wish we could reenact those days again. Love you, take care, and have a great 50th. Bye.
Hi Peggy, yes, wishing you a very happy 50th, and you'll always be my golden girl, a very special friend. I'm so glad to have you in my life, and I really treasure our friendship and all those memories of being flatmates, then a Goa trip. I will cherish them for a very long time, and I wish you the best today and always. I hope all your dreams come true, and I just want you to know that I really treasure what we share. You know, we don't have to catch up every day, but whenever we do, you know, we don't feel that we've disconnected at all. That's what I really like about our friendship, and I want to thank you once again for always being there whenever I've needed you, and I hope things stay like this always, and I want you to always be happy. Thanks, Peggy.
Lovely Pegs, wishing you an amazing day and an equally blessed year ahead of you. The big 50, wow, I can't believe it. It's been 24 years since we first met, And now look at you, blessed with 4 beautiful, gorgeous kids. And you know how far we've come from that first meeting early morning at the White Building. Anyway, my lovely girl, here's wishing you everything you've ever dreamt of. Much love from the Tarsims in Colombo.
Happy birthday, Peggy. Welcome to the 50s and very, very happy 50th birthday. Have a very good life. Take care and be happy with Andrew and your children. Good to have a friend like you. Bye. Take care.
Darling Peggy, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. May you have a fabulous day and many, many more years ahead with loads of happiness, good health, love and laughter. Lots and lots of love and kisses coming your way from Mumbai. This is from Bev, Brett and Stacy. Have a wonderful birthday. Mwah.
Hi Peggy, how are you going? What can I say? 50 years is definitely a milestone for anybody. And if I have to look back on my life, just counting the time that we spent in Dubai, it was 17 years. So I can say that I've spent almost 35% of my lifetime in and around your home. I remember most fondly how when I came to Dubai in 1997, and as Andrew would say, I was, aimlessly walking the streets of Karama. I found Andrew and you as angels in my life. It seems like deja vu, but given the fact that I did not really know you, Peggy, and I knew Andrew, I must admit that I truly thank you for welcoming me into your home, your life. And we just developed such an awesome friendship, not just Andrew and me, but as families. I think we were inseparable. Even our children bonded so well. Danny and Liam born around the same time, living in the same building, Toyota. Well, I can reminisce, it goes on and on and on. But Peggy, I also remember fondly how you would always give me a very nice, colorful, bright or a classy shirt for my birthday. So those are things about you that I remember fondly. And what I wish for you today, Peggy, is God's best. You, Andrew, and your children will always be very dear to my heart. I can never ever forget the good times we've shared. We may have a few differences, but that's part of it. We all have differences, but I think Jesus was the center of our friendship with the prayer group and more. So differences were overlooked and kind of put aside. The friendship and the love and the fellowship always took precedence. So Peggy, my honest prayer for you is that you get blessed with a job that you would like to in, must I call, the second innings of your life at 50 plus. And may all your dreams come true, not just with you and Andrew, through even your children, through Danny, Shania, Nathan, and Josh. And because you and Andrew have been such close, special friends, it is with great pride and joy that we have you all as Isaiah's godparents. And I wish you on behalf of Isaiah and Sinead in particular, and my love to you from the Rego family in Perth. I'm sure if I tell my mom, she'd love to send you a wish as well. So God bless Becky. And I wanted to keep this humorous, keep it funny, but I realize it's just a wish for you and your family. So I will not get into any of my anecdotes to make you laugh. But all said and done, you're beautiful, you're kind, you're generous, you're warm. And I think you have a touch of innocence that cannot be replaced. So God bless you once again. Happy 50th. May all your dreams come true. Lots of love, Lloyd. A big hug from me. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Peggy.
Peggy. Hi Peggy, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Can't believe you're turning 50, but as always, your birthday is a sign of what lies ahead for me. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy it. Make use of the 50th to get whatever you want, especially from Andrew.
And the children.
And the children. And hopefully we'll meet sometime soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Peggy. Congratulations on turning 50. And I really hope you enjoy your 50th birthday. Hopefully we can see you sometime soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Peggy. Thank you for being like my second mother growing up in Dubai. I enjoy our frequent Botum chats and look forward to seeing you soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Peggy. Congratulations on turning 50. I miss you very much and I hope to see you soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
My darling Pegru, for as long as I can remember, you have been more than a sister to me, a second mom, a friend. And as I have become older, you have become someone to share my worries and insecurities with as well, even my joys. In many ways, my own guardian angel when it comes to praying for me and watching out for me. You have always gone above and beyond to pamper me and make me feel special in your own way. And you do the same for my family. Although we have spent the most part of our lives on different continents, I am especially grateful that we stay connected and that even when we speak after weeks, it feels like we just met yesterday. You, my darling Pegru, have always held a special place in my heart. I still remember longing for your arrival in Yemen during your summer holidays, and then missing you terribly after you'd leave to go back to college. I still remember turning to you when I couldn't make sense of small issues with Ma and Pa. I remember the little me looking at you in awe when you'd take me around Mumbai all on your own. I would think to myself, wow, I want to. I remember the little me looking at you in awe when you'd take me around Mumbai all on your own. I would think to myself, wow, I want to grow up to be strong and courageous and independent, just like my sister. I remember our little squabbles, despite our huge age gap. It still felt like we were just a couple of years apart. I remember always being made a special part of your life, and I want to remind you today that you are and always will be a special part of mine. Here's wishing you an abundance of love, joy, and peace for a lifetime. And may 50 be your new 20. Live life in all its splendor. May the good Lord continue to bless you and your family abundantly, and may His will prevail in your lives. Lots of love to you. And here comes the family to wish you.
This is my flower cake. I drew it. And I wrote, I love you, and I wrote birthday balloons, and I wrote you. I drew you. Happy birthday, Auntie Peggy.
Where's Auntie Peggy on the card?
I'll show you.
Where? Show there. Oh, that's Auntie Peggy. How lovely.
No, that's me.
Now see.
Happy birthday, Auntie Peggy.
And show the card. Ah, what did you draw, Emmy?
I'm doing Mommy. I'm doing me.
You drew you?
Yeah.
For Auntie Peggy?
And I do you, Auntie Peggy.
Now can you all sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
May you have many more. May you have many more.
Happy birthday, darling Auntie Peggy. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, clap hands.
Huh?
Hey Pegs.
Hey, Pegs.
Happy
Happy
50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday.
It's been an incredible time where years have flown by. The little tomboy who was full of mischief, with a passion for outdoors, and above all, climbing trees and other sports, today has hit the 50th year. We are truly sorry that we are not able to celebrate this landmark birthday with you, but will surely catch up sooner than later. May the good Lord bless and keep you today and always.
Yes.
May you have a wonderful day with your loving family, Andrew, Danny, Shania, Nathan, Joshua, and all your wonderful friends. Cheers.
Praise the Lord. Cheers. Cheers. Pegs. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. God bless you. And now I think you should start thinking, now that you've hit the 50th, you should start thinking of relaxing, at least for a while. Don't worry about it. Life is sweet, and even retirement is even better. We've got the experience. God bless you. Love you all. Yeah. All the
Love,
very best.
Hugs, kisses, and prayers.
Yes. Big hugs. And do come down this December.
So that we can celebrate your half-century mark.
Yes, and another family reunion. All the very best.
God bless.
God bless. Love you. Ayana. Okay.
Let's see now.
Happy birthday, Peggy. So you are finally 50. Don't look it for sure. This is your moment in the sun. So remember, you are smart, beautiful, generous, and unique. You have reached a milestone, Peggy. You can't turn back the clock, but you can wind it up and remain always your fabulous self. Happy birthday. Love you, Mom.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.